ஹாய் ஹலோ நான் உங்கள் ரெடி பேசுகிறேன். இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது ஒரு டிஃப்ரெண்டான வீடியோ. எஸ், a follow video of learning along with English. Yes, those who are following my website, Instagram and so on are familiar with the hashtag learning along with English. Yes, whenever we come across a new word or something, we are learning together. Yes, we means Inus and me learn together. And today I am extremely sorry for this late video because of lockdown and so many issues. I couldn't update this video on time. Yes, it's all about Easter. Easter Sunday just passed and I am updating about Easter today. I am extremely sorry. Hope you all know we lived in Germany for around 2 years, and so we came across the celebration for twice. And the most important thing we found in Germany is Easter bunny and Easter eggs. It's very odd in India. Yes, our celebration includes the Good Friday, followed up by the Easter Sunday, on which we start our service with candle and then Easter service, and that's all our celebration. I don't even remember buying some new clothes as we buy for Christmas. Yeah, we have a feel of sadness, so we don't buy something new during the Easter time. So the different thing which I found in Germany is Easter eggs, colorful eggs, decorated eggs and bunnies all over the town and all over the malls and everywhere. I was very eager to learn something what is behind this. Yes, we used to attend a service in Dietrich Bonhoeffer Kirche, and we came to know that I used to make something unique using crochet, and they ordered 30 unique baskets, Easter egg baskets. Easter egg baskets? I'm shocked. There are 230 pieces. What are they going to do? Finally, I understood the value of that basket and the value of the colored eggs. Yes, during the Lent days, we are not allowed to take eggs. Yes, that is a custom. And to my surprise, there is another custom where we shouldn't sing any song on Good Friday or Karfreitag. So our church won't conduct any service or silent morning service like lighting the candle, placing in front of the altar. That's all. Our Good Friday service is over. But here we used to remember the service extending up to 3 or 6 hours. And then, what is the reason behind the egg? Yes, as per them, the egg depicts new life. And since they are not allowed to take egg during the Lent days, they collect the eggs, decorate them in different colors and different ways they can, and they make a very big feast on the day of Easter. That's how the custom of Easter eggs came out. And on Easter bunny, that is a story like Alice in Wonderland. An Easter bunny or Osterhase which lays egg. It's impossible, right? Bunnies can't lay egg. So that is a fictional story or something. They depicted some happiness, and all these were taken by the German immigrants to USA, and they started to follow up these, and they modified something, and they are celebrating it in a very pomp and show nowadays. And what are the points which I have collected was the egg being round in shape or something oval depicts the stone in front of the tomb of Jesus, and when we break the egg, as Jesus came out, the happiness God spread it throughout the world. This is their point of view. And the decoration of eggs is believed to date back from 13th century, and now a family from Slavic minority is keeping alive of hand painted eggs. There are so many different types of eggs, like plastic eggs and so on, with some surprises inside, or with some chocolates inside, or chocolates wrapped with golden papers and so on. But the original hand painted eggs are being alive in Germany, from eastern Germany. And another one thing is they make a cake in the shape of lamb. Lamb? Yeah, there is some similarity, right? Jesus is compared to the lamb being slaughtered in the book of Isaiah. So they depict there's the Passover or some Passover or the word Lamb of God as a cake, and they cut it on the day of Easter. And another thing which they are following is they are allowed to eat fish and so on. Only eggs they are not allowed to consume during the Lent days, and that's why they are coloring them. Hi, that's all. This is how Easter is celebrated in European countries, especially in Germany. I hope you all came to know about Easter egg and Easter bunny. Thank you. Follow Learning Along with Inus to know something unique like this. And one more thing. Easter bunny is also known as Osterhase. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you with another video on this topic, Learning Along with Inus. Bye.